वेल हम आपको बताएं कैपजेमिनी ने एक बहुत बढ़िया चीज शुरू की है जिसका नाम है कैपजेमिनी गॉट टैलेंट. डज कैपजेमिनी हैज टैलेंट? That's right, and you're going to see that talent right now, right here on the stage. कैपजेमिनी के एम्प्लॉइज में बहुत सारे लोग हैं जिनकी बहुत ही मधुर आवाज़ है और उन मधुर आवाज़ों को सुनकर हमारे जजेस ने कुछ ऐसे बेहतरीन सिंगर निकाले हैं जो आज इस रंगमंच पर आकर गाएंगे, परफॉर्म करेंगे. Well, that's right. I'm going to call upon the first performer, the first singer who's going to come right here as a part of Capgemini Got Talent on Jashan 2014, ladies and gentlemen. Please put your hands together for Priyanka Krishnan. तालियों की आवाज नहीं आई. Come on guys, like it. विशाल तुम्हारी फोटोग्राफ्स हो गई हो तो जरा बैक स्टेज आ जाना यार.
Give them a big hand, ladies and gentlemen. Come on. Ladies and gentlemen, please give her a big hand. She's absolutely a rock star.
That's the way to do it.
I'd like to know a little about you. अपने बारे में हमें कुछ बताइए, please. I mean, how long have you been working with Capgemini?
It's been 1 year, almost 1.5 years.
Are you enjoying it?
Sorry?
Are you enjoying it?
Yeah, I'm enjoying
Any
it.
complaints to all the seniors?
She clearly.
Not yet.
This is a good time. Good opportunity. कुछ भी complain है बता दीजिए.
नहीं,
मुझे
कुछ
कान में बता
नहीं,
दीजिए.
नहीं, वो बाद में बता
She needs a raise, guys.
उनकी
Who do I speak to about the raise?
कितनी फटाफट से बोली, हाँ जी. उनकी खूबसूरत हंसी और उनकी आवाज में जो जादू है उससे हमें यही पता चल रहा है that she's a very happy person, and of course Capgemini is the reason why she's such a happy person in life, and we hope to see you next year as well and just in 2015. Thank you. You were wonderful. एक बार जोरदार तालियां हो जाए हमारी इस अंबर सरिया सिंगर के लिए. I think she was absolutely fantastic, wasn't she, Vishal?
Absolutely. और मैं आपको एक सीक्रेट की बात बता दूं कि मेरी जो बहुत ही खूबसूरत को-होस्ट यहाँ पर खुशबू है, she has a beautiful voice too and is a budding and very talented playback singer to be also. मैंने सबको सीक्रेट बता दिया है. खुशबू,
Thank you, Vishal.
In front of everybody, I wish you all the best.
Thank you.
You're lovely and I hope you do very well in life.
Thank you.
Please give Khushbu a big hand.
Thank you, guys. Well, Capgemini के इस मंच पर आकर Vishal and I are very happy. And now that we know कि Capgemini में इतना सारा talent है, तो हम एक पर नहीं रुकने वाले.
बिल्कुल नहीं.
ये तो था Capgemini Got Talent.
Yep.
क्या तुम जानते हो कि इनका एक और कैटेगरी है of performance which is called झूम बराबर झूम बराबर झूम बराबर झूम. With us, 1, 2, 3, 4. झूम बराबर झूम बराबर झूम बराबर झूम. आवाज नहीं आ रही Capgemini?
एक मिनट.
चलिए
मैं जगा देता हूँ.
हाँ.
Can you hear us? Can you hear us a little louder?
Can you sing with us? No, I know you guys have talent out there. Come on, sing with us.
नहीं, मुझे लगता है कि ऑडिशन के बाद सब यहाँ पर पहुँचे हैं. So let's not keep them waiting anymore. As you said, we've got a great lineup for you.
Yes.
These guys are going to come here and jam their way into your hearts.
But Vishal,
but, हाँ जी.
Before I call the next performers on stage,
Yeah.
मैं आपको बता दूं कि वो क्या करने वाले हैं.
जी.
वो करने वाले हैं एक ऐसा dance form that started in New York in the 1940s. It's a part of rock and roll. It's called jiving, baby, jiving. And Vishal here is a very good jive guy. Yeah?
Thank you.
So he's going to show you some jiving. तो एक बार विशाल के लिए थोड़ी जोरदार तालियां हो जाए यार.
बनता है भाई.
विशाल बढ़िया सा एक jive step करके दिखा दो.
देखिए मैं करना नहीं चाहता था क्योंकि कॉम्प्लेक्स दे देता, लेकिन doesn't matter. आप इतनी इंसिस्ट कर रही हो और आप सब इतना इंसिस्ट कर रहे हो तो मैं थोड़ा सा कर लेता हूँ. देखिए my surname is मल्होत्रा, मैं पंजाब का हूँ, तो मेरे लिए jive, jazz, break dance, everything एक ही है भाई. और वो बहुत ही सिंपल स्टेप है. आप सब मेरे साथ कीजिएगा. If you all want, you all can stand up also and do it. 1, 2, 3.
आहू आहू ओ आहू 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 ओ आहू आहू आहू.
ये मेरा jive है, ये मेरा break dance है, ये मेरा सब कुछ है. Can you all just put your hands up and just do that with me once? 1, 2, 3.
Ahoo, oh, ahoo, 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 ahoo. All right, well, let me tell all of you,
Sir, you are... एक minute. I just have to. Sir, you're absolutely fabulous. Can I request you to stand up, please? Yes, sir, you. Yeah.
Gentleman in the white shirt.
Yes, that's it.
That's right.
You.
Woo!
Please, just a second.
Caught you on candid camera.
Just a second, please stand up, please. I thought you were absolutely brilliant. यहाँ बहुत रोशनी है, but are you from France? Est-ce que vous êtes français? Oh, brilliant. Now this is an Indian version of the jive. Would you do it with me, please?
Woo!
Just follow me. Just say it. 1, 2, 3.
Woohoo! That's
Fabulous!
really good. Yay!
God bless you. You're absolutely rock star. But now, let the professionals come out here and do their bit, please.
जिन को भी थोड़ा सा भी डाउट हुआ कि ये jive है, let me tell you, ये बिल्कुल भी jive नहीं है. This is Vishal style jiving, but we're gonna get the people who do jive just the way it's supposed to be done. So please put your hands together for Team 1, Jhoom Barabar Jhoom, giving you some jiving. Woo!
बदतमीजी एक बीमारी है, ऐसी बीमारी जो धीरे धीरे वक्त के साथ बुढ़ापे में बदल जाती है। मैं कहता हूं जब तक बुढ़ापा नहीं आता थोड़ी बदतमीजी ही कर लेते।
पुदीना देगा, नाका नागिना देगा, चिकनी चमेली देखी चिकना कमीना देगा, चांदनी चिटर होके चीट किया तो सारे तारे बोले गिली गिली अक्खा। मेरी बात तेरी बात ज्यादा बातें बुरी बात, थाली में कटोरा लेकर आलू भात मूड़ी भात, मेरे भी जो किसी ने रिपीट किया तो साला मैंने तेरे मुंह पे मारा मुक्का। खड़ा है कम वक्त छोड़ना जाने ना, बदतमीज दिल बदतमीज दिल बदतमीज दिल माने ना बदतमीज दिल बदतमीज दिल बदतमीज दिल माने ना ये जो हाल है सवाल है कमाल है जाने ना बदतमीज दिल बदतमीज दिल बदतमीज दिल माने ना।
In the 1970s, New York graffiti, rapping, and breaking became the prime expressions of a new young people subculture called hip-hop. Graffiti is the written word. There's the spoken word of rap music. And then there's the acrobatic body language of dances like breaking.
Tonight you're gonna see some breaking, and some rapping, and some breaking, and some scratching, and some breaking, and some graffiti, and some breaking, and then you're gonna see some more breaking.
ये आया ना applause. Woo, you guys, you were awesome. एक बार फिर से जोरदार तालियां हो जाए. इसे कहते हैं fully बदतमीज performance. Well, ladies and gentlemen, let me tell you, if you had any doubts about jiving and what Vishal did, this is what you call jiving. Aren't they awesome?
Wait a minute. They
That's
are.
right.
But my friend there will agree with me that our form of dancing is even better.
Yes.
But anyways, guys, give them a big hand, please.
Woo!
You know, मुझे यकीन नहीं आ रहा है कि these guys work
I
at
know.
this place. They look like professional dancers.
Really? पर क्या तुम जानते हो कि इन लोगों ने पिछले 4 हफ्ते एक प्रोफेशनल कोरियोग्राफर के साथ every day after work, every day before work, they have done rehearsals.
I have a secret. I have a secret.
Yes.
Not only before work and after work, during work also.
माफ है. जश्न 2014 के लिए सब कुछ माफ है. You guys are brilliant. This is Rangmanch. और अब जो हमारा अगला segment है विशाल, it's called.
Before you tell them that, Khushbu,
Yes.
I'm so sorry.
Yes.
I just want to make sure that it's a packed house here.
Yes.
I just want to make sure that till now, are you all having fun?
Woo!
You want to have more fun? So I'm going to request you all that whenever you feel like, please feel free to stand up and dance.
That's right.
And make the person on your right and on your left dance too.
Yeah.
Can you all do that, please? All right, so we're going to count on that. हम आप पर दूरबीन से नजर रखने वाले हैं. Have a great time. Let your hair down. Khushbu, what's next?
Well, that's right. जैसा कि विशाल ने कहा, this entire place in the front is for all of you to come out here and have a bloody brilliant time. क्योंकि पूरी साल आप लोगों ने इतनी मेहनत की है that this day is so that you all can have lots of fun. Woo! All right. तो जश्न को आगे बढ़ाते हैं. Well, the next segment is called Rock the Ramp. ना सिर्फ कैपजेमिनी में सिंगर्स हैं, ना सिर्फ कैपजेमिनी में डांसर्स हैं, बल्कि मॉडल्स एंड फैशनिस्टास भी हैं. That's right. The next segment, which is Rock the Ramp, इसमें पहले जो टीम आ रही है, the fashion team, is going to bring you a vintage theme. It's going to take you back to the black and white era.
Lovely.
Yes, and
I can't wait to see them.
I can't wait to see them myself.
But
so
I
can
also
we hear a huge round of applause, please?
I also believe that the music is going to be fabulous. So as I said, please get up, dance, have a great time. I just want to say it takes a lot of courage to come here and face all you beautiful people. Encourage them, stand up, clap for them. They're your colleagues and they worked really hard. So take it away.
It's time to rock the ramp with Team 1 bringing to you the vintage jazz with black and white.
Visionary fantasy experienced while awake, especially one of happy, pleasant thoughts, hopes, or ambitions. They are often connected with some type of emotion. Composers, novelists, and filmmakers developing new ideas through daydreaming. past experiences or vivid dream-like images, they are often connected with some type of emotion. There are numerous examples of people in creative or artistic careers, such as composers, novelists, and filmmakers, developing new ideas through daydreaming. About future scenarios or plans, reminiscences about past experiences, or vivid dream-like images, they are often connected with some type of emotion. There are numerous examples of people in creative or artistic careers, such as composers, novelists, and filmmakers, developing new ideas through daydreaming.
इसे वाकई में कहते हैं to rock the ramp. एक बार जोरदार तालियां हो जाए for the talented fashionistas only at Capgemini. Oh my God, weren't they good? I think they were really awesome. I mean, that's a bloody good-looking bunch of people you have here at Capgemini, and I doubt if they're going to continue to work here, क्योंकि I think इनमें से बहुत लोगों को आज ही offer आ जाएगा किसी modeling assignment का. So you better watch out, because I think a lot of people might be.
I'll call you. I'll call you.
Vishal's already busy, guys.
My mic is on. Sorry. I'm so sorry.
Vishal.
नहीं मतलब इतने talented हैं. We must promote them.
Yeah, absolutely. Vishal is already doing the needful.
I'm sure
of taking numbers and passing them on, right?
Yeah, I'm not going to pass them on. I have them all stored here. Don't you think so?
He has them stored here. I don't know about anything else.
I presume all the senior executives are amongst us here. I just have an earnest request that if you need an intern or a temp, I'm available.
And he will do it for free.
Yes, yes.
In fact, he's ready to pay you all to hire him.
Let's not get carried away. I'll do it for free. But I just have one condition, is that if you can place me with
the lady in black.
Those beautiful women out there. All of them are ladies in black.
Yes.
But listen, on a serious note, let's give them a big hand. They were absolutely drop-dead gorgeous. And the men were all right too.
Don't be so biased now.
They were
I think
absolutely
the men were
fantastic.
Pretty hot, yeah?
Fabulous.
All right, moving on.
But I believe that the Jashan just keeps going on and on.
Yes, exactly. And now
are you guys having a good time so far? I didn't see you all stand up and dance. Now is the time to stand up and dance. You know why? Why?
Because Capgemini's got talent, and we have the next singer coming up on stage. But before that, let me tell all of you, jitne bhi aapne beautiful outfits dekhe, they were by Asif Merchant.
Yes.
And I think they were absolutely beautiful.
Let's give Asif a big hand, please.
Woo!
Beautifully done and executed.
Moving
Very, very
on,
well done.
Capgemini's got talent, and we have the next singer in house. But before that, Vishal,
Yes,
तुमने
खुशबू।
मुझे तो गवा लिया पिछले सेगमेंट में। यहाँ सब लोग तुम्हारी मधुर आवाज को सुनना चाहते हैं।
मेरी मधुर
You guys
आवाज?
want to hear Vishal sing? Yes. Vishal.
Are you sure? Okay, Khushbu, you sing a line and I'll follow you.
No.
Because I don't know what to sing here. Try. Okay, I got a great idea.
Okay.
No. Who's the singer who's coming now?
Dilip Mishra.
Okay, can we just request Dilip to come on stage?
No, let's not psych him out before his performance. We can do that later.
Okay, so I'll sing with Dilip after his performance. Right now,
No, but-
please give a standing ovation
Woo!
to Dilip, please.
Woo! Dilip Mishra coming on now. Capgemini.